Good morning, one and all present here. I'm Heet from class 10 Nand Vidya Niketan. Here I am to pitch down an idea on Neuron Labs. So, firstly, what's the problem? Well, learning in science, math, or any other field is mostly theoretical. Students memorize but rarely apply the fact. Most educational tools are either simple circuits or complex coding toys that spark short-term curiosity but don't reinforce concepts. Here's the statistics that speak. Nearly 3 out of 4 students can recall a fact but cannot apply it in a real scenario. Well, Neuron Lab steps in with its multidisciplinary learning system where science, math, coding, and robotics grow with the student. Every kit is repeatable, every concept is scaffolded, and the digital simulations tie it all together, turning learning from a one time experiment into a daily applied experience. Here's a few projected kits, out of which we are gonna deep dive into hydraulics. Level Me Hydraulics, a hands-on way to feel how real machines move. Kids use water power syringes to tilt a platform and prevent a ball from falling off. They build it along with a video and understand all the concepts that make this possible. This is aided with our free simulation software. It's no motor, no batteries, just pure hydraulic force, real engineering and addictive gameplay. Here's our future projected. We would like to scale our free safe online simulation platform so any student can learn instantly on various concepts. We would like to launch a school integration program to bring our kits and simulations directly into classrooms. At last, we would like to build a full Neuron Lab ecosystem with physical kits, digital labs, courses, and a unified learning system. At the end, better tools make better thinkers. Neuron Lab delivers both. Here's Neuron Lab signing off.